Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I have the exclusive Betty Crocker Wednesday cake mix. I also have the Wednesday whipped frosting. The ingredients that we're going to need are 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, and I have for decoration at the end some spiders. Okay guys, in a large bowl, I'm going to empty in my cake mix. Now I'm going to add in my cup of water. My 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And also my 3 eggs. And guys, you can beat this with your hand for 2 minutes. I'm going to be using my hand mixer, and we're just going to put it on medium, and we're going to mix it for 2 minutes. Once you're done, you want to set your oven to 350 degrees, and now you want to get some non-stick baking spray, and I'm using 2 8x8 cake pans. Now we're going to spray our cake pans with our baker's joy. Now you can pour your cake batter into your pans and make sure that it's evenly divided. Okay guys, now I'm going to place it into my oven for 28 to 33 minutes. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for our cake to finish baking, I wanted to show you guys that I'm a huge fan of Wednesday and the Addams Family. Here I have the Wednesday poster. I have the full seasons of the Addams Family. There's 3 seasons. And the Addams Family and the Addams Family Values. Wednesday season 1, and also the 2 cartoons that had came out. Okay guys, I also have the full collection of the Addams Family Funko Pops. Here I have Wednesday Addams, Pugsley Addams, we have Gomez Addams, Morticia Addams, I have Lurch with Thing, and also Cousin It. And I also have Uncle Fester. Lastly guys, I even saved the cup from Burger King when they had the Addams Family meal. Okay guys, our cakes are out the oven. So I'm going to let them cool off for 10 minutes before I remove them from the pan. Okay guys, so I placed my cakes onto a wire rack. I'm going to let them cool off completely before I place the icing on them. Once your cakes have cooled completely, you can go ahead and begin to put the icing on. Okay guys, so here's the cake. I'm going to add these spiders to the top of the cake so it can have a pop of color. Okay guys, so here we have it, our exclusive Betty Crocker Wednesday cake. Okay guys, look how nice and fluffy and moist this cake is. I'm going to go ahead and tasty. It's really good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?